the finished video on our 2017 Mini Cooper S. This is the 2-litre petrol with 189 horsepower and it's a 6-speed manual. It's covered just 74,638 miles and it's finished in the lovely Moonwalk Grey. This is a Cat N on insurance due to the bottom of the engine hitting something and cracking the sump, but a brand new sump has been fitted. It also has just had a full service. It has full service history and a brand new MOT has just been carried out, which takes it right through till April 2026. Moving on to the inside, it's got all the usual Mini refinements such as electric windows front and rear, electric mirrors, power assisted steering, remote central locking, cruise control with brake function, air conditioning, auto wipers, multifunction steering wheel, DAB radio with Bluetooth connectivity. If you've got any questions on this video or any of my other builds, do leave them in the comments section below, or you can contact me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends so you don't miss out on any upcoming builds. And we do thank you as always for watching these videos and look forward to seeing you soon in another video.